This trade analysis that you're about to watch is going to explain to you my psychology behind why I didn't take a winning trade. And if I did take this trade, I could just hear everybody at the trade desk asking, why did you take that trade right now? Come.
See if price closes above this, bro. Like, so this is what I mean by you really have to wait for the market to give you a specific direction, right? I really want price to come back into the cloud so it could increase my probability, but it might not do that. You know what I mean? So now that's going to make me have to make a executive decision. Should I actually go into this trade knowing that, listen, we're attempting new highs, all-time highs, or should I just stick to the strategy? Because the thing is, coming back down here, like if we come back down to this level or close under here, it's not a good indication telling me to go for buys. If you see what I'm saying, right? It's not something that I would look forward to, if that makes sense. I would prefer, volume takes us up here with the VWAP, right? We go all the way up here. We probably would never. I don't think we're gonna get to 730, but you get the idea. So that's my thought process behind this. I'll continue to monitor this, and we'll see how it goes. And I got a choker in the crib.
Oh, buddy, get me a buckshot to shoot me.
Because in my mind, let me tell you what's gonna happen, right? In my mind, this is my thought process, right? We come back to the cloud, right? I have to get a close below the VWAP here, regardless of where this is. I have to see a close, not a wick. Like it's probably gonna always gonna wick at the VWAP more often than not. So to avoid that, I want to make sure I get a close to let me know that, listen, price is not going in my direction anymore. So I need to get out the trade. Because I'm telling you right now, like for price action actually come back down here with low volume is so low, bro. Like it's such a, like the pullback that we want to happen, right? So this has to come back down very gradually instead of an impulsive. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Instead of an impulsive move down, right? I need it to gradually come down here, but it can't be over an extended period of time, right? The pullback cannot take place for like 25, 30 minutes because that now is almost a shift in trend depending on where it closes, right? It's almost a shift in trend because right now we got this high, then we got a higher high. For the trend to continue, the pullback cannot close because this is going to signal. It's not a change in structure or break of structure or anything, right? But it's going to signal to me that, yo, this is not a good trade that I want to take to the upside. That's the notes for when a sell off is happening. No, it might still work out, but as I said, I don't want that one, bro. Like that sell off was too heavy for my liking. Would have been a good trade, but I just can't go on. Remember, see this candle right here? Like this bearish candle, sorry. Like it's just too strong going into the cloud. It's very unattractive because the trade can definitely, go boom, 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 go higher, come back down, and then it just continues going up. But it's like in reality, I don't see this price action going lower. I'm not gonna lie because of what I've observed so far. Now that's a good sign if you're looking for longs. I have a meeting to get to, guys, so